welcome to another tutorial. So today I want to talk about basslines. Bassline is one of the most important element in Psytrance music, so it's a nice topic to make a tutorial about. So let's get into it. So for now we have our kick in here, very fat, nice kick, and it's in G1. So we want our bassline also in G1. Let's insert a MIDI clip. Let's put it at 116 and let's crop it so we have just one loop, and design our bassline in G. So 3 notes, okay, after the kick. You can have a space between them, and we want to insert our operator in here and listen how it sounds. Oh, dark, because it's a sine wave here, so we want to put a sawtooth wave. You can use square wave, but usually you use a sawtooth wave. So let's put a sawtooth wave. Let's check our envelopes. We don't have release. What more? We just want one voice. And basically, what is a bassline? A bassline in Psytrance, it's a waveform with a fast decay in the filter envelope. Okay, so basically it's like you are doing this in your frequency, very fast. So for that we want to put our frequency in a low frequency, like for example 0 or 100 hertz. We want to use a low pass. Okay, in this case I will use a 24 slope low pass for a better tight result. And you want to put your envelope amount to 100%. So let's hear. Okay, now you can increase the decay to adjust the sounds. I like something around 500. Sounding nice, sounding very nice. You have this time, it's another adjustment of the envelopes time, so you can adjust also here the time of your envelope, in this case the decay. I like that, sounding nice. So basically this is the concept of the synth bassline. Okay, now we can use other effects to provide a better sound. So I usually put equalizer, okay, and I put to a multiband compressor, and sometimes a saturation, but let's see how it goes, and then if we need a saturation we put it. So before that I want to change the velocity. It's a basic and old school Psytrance bassline technique, so it feels like bouncing, I'll put this drastic so you can check that. Nice, So then we can adjust the velocity amount in here. So here no velocity change. If you increase, okay, let's decrease a little bit. Around 25, 24, it's a nice number. Cool. Let's decrease a little bit the time. 7. It's a nice number. Cool. I used to put a low high cut around 25. It depends also on the notes. If the main note is lower, so the high pass is. And let's increase a little bit the second harmonic. Let's put this higher. Noise. Okay, let's make a dip around 500. Increase a little bit before. Let's cut the high frequencies. So let's check with and without. So I'm hearing this with my headphones, so it's not the best reference, but it's sounding nice. Okay, so let's go to our multiband compressor, and I usually put my low frequency in around 180 and hikes in 150 hertz, 1000 what 1500 hertz. My English is not good. So I have two softwares here, two plugins to help me. One is a oscilloscope and another one is a spectrogram. So in here I see the frequency, in here I see the waveform. So let's check the low ends. I can compress a little bit in here, so let's compress. I'm around 1 or 2 ratio, and let's put this to the maximum. Weird, bro. And there is a lot of distortion, of course. Let's now put a little bit of attack, a little bit of release, until you don't hear much distortion. Two is okay. It's nice. So there is around 5 to 8. Decibels of cuts. So let's increase the bass again. So I'm sorry. Without, with, yeah, there is a lot of compression. Let's put sounds nice. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, sounds cool. Let's go to the mids. Let's increase the volume so we can see them in here, or also I think there is a form in here. Yeah, gain. No. Whatever. Let's increase it here. Let's compress the hell out of it. Too much distortion. Sounding nice. Cool. Let's go for the high. These ones I really don't see them. Let's increase. Okay, just peaks. Let's compress them in a fast attack. Mid release. And compare. Okay. Better. So let's see the whole stuff. Without. Yeah, we lost some attack, so maybe in the mids let's put a little bit of attack. And let's not have much increase in the mids. I think it sounds nice now. Let's hear with the kick. We can adjust the global time in here of the compression. So this is tight compression. And this is slower. I like something like that. And this is the amount, so around that, sounding nice. Really nice. Let's increase a little bit. Nice bassline. Let's hear with the drums. leads and stuff. Sounding proper. It fits very well in the mix. Let's now change some notes. For example, this one. Groovy. We can change here sometime. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you liked the video, and follow me on social media. It will be nice. You will be very, very friendly, and see you next time. So bye bye. Cheers.